Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beats videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Today's video, as you see from the title, is me basically telling you what 2020 has taught me, and basically, you know, just explaining why it has taught me that, or how it taught me that, or whatever. So yeah, without further ado, let us get into this video. Alright, so the first thing that 2020 has taught me, it's basically saving is important, because things like this will come up and you may never know what will happen, and you need to have something to bank on in the long run. The next thing is that nothing is permanent. I have anxiety, and in the beginning of this corona thing, you know, everybody was all over the place and everybody was fretting, and I thought the world was ending and all of that. But after a while it cooled down, and to be honest, people, corona is still here, but things are a bit normal, like a bit more normal as it was before. So it's like nothing had even changed. But anyways, just want to say nothing is permanent. Nothing will ever stay the same forever. Things are going to change, and people will change, you will change over time. The next thing I've learned is priorities change. And I mean, like, things that you think were a priority now, or thoughts were a priority then, is not the same priority you have now. For example, me, and don't think I've ever spoken of this like on camera or on this channel, but basically I had priorities. My priority was lying in leaving, getting a different degree, and, you know, doing different things, moving into an apartment and whatever overseas. But corona has taught me that, you know, I don't know, corona has opened up my eyes to a lot of things, and my priorities change. My priorities now is being around my family. My priorities now is getting a house, not an apartment, you know, getting a house. My priorities like learning to drive. My priorities, you know, they're different. So yeah, I think corona has taught me that priorities change and people change. All right, so the next thing I have learned is that family is important. I think corona has taught a lot of persons that it's good to be around family, and that in the end, family is the most important thing. Because a lot of us, we were locked up basically in our homes. You were told to go home and basically stay home, so you were at home with your family. And even though, you know, you're at home with one part of your family, because a lot of people are only at home with their immediate family, like mine. It was me, my mom, my father, and my sister, and the rest of my family were out there, and we were unable to visit them. And it has taught me that they're important. And even though, you know, corona is here, I doubt we stopped communication. Yeah, even if it died down a little bit, because we weren't as communicative as normal. We communicate, you get what I'm saying? So family important, and it's important to have them. It's important that you show them how much you love them. It's important that you spend time with them when you can, because you don't know what will happen, that you have to part with them. It doesn't mean that it's going to be death, because corona has separated us all, and it's not death that separates us. It's just that it's a sickness going around, and you don't want to give each other the sickness if you have it, or you don't want to catch it. So it has taught me that family is important. It has also taught me that I should be appreciative of what I have. I think I was beginning to not be appreciative, and every time I know my mom normally said it to me that be thankful for the job I have, and me normally tell her, say, understand, because it was really rough in the job, not lie. But I think it was my mindset for a while, or I don't know. I think a lot of teachers were really going into that stressful era, because Pitney did that get terrible. If you're a child and you're watching this, yes, that get terrible. But anyways, yeah, so I think at that time I was like, understand, me I go through. But then it has taught me be appreciative. I have a job and I have a source of income, so be appreciative. Knowing no better than yard. And basically, before Corona, I was more of the mindset of living overseas, and Corona basically teach me a thing. It has shown me something, because what anybody knows, well, most persons who know me know that I'm a Oreo. You know what Oreo? Black on the outside, white on the inside. I'm basically a black girl who likes white things, or I love American music, American shows, basically American food. You get me? I say it's just my preference. It's not something I want to prefer. It's just that I prefer it. But yeah, so I was on the mindset of living abroad, and then I wasn't thinking of the fact that I'm leaving my family behind, yes, and the only person really that I can really sit down and talk with, my sister, I'd be leaving her behind. I didn't really think of this, but yes, Corona has taught me that knowing better than yard, and I'll be leaving all of these people behind, and that basically I can have all the things that I wanted over there right. Yes, so for my YouTube, I did learn that yes, consistency is important. And yes, I usually hear everybody talking about, yeah, consistency is important and all, and yeah, but I kind of got discouraged, not gonna lie. But in Corona time, being consistent really worked for me. Uploading and all worked for me, because I moved from 400 odd subscribers in the beginning of or 300, yeah, I think it was 400 odd subscribers in the beginning of Corona, and right now I am at 800 and odd. So guys, consistency does work, and I'm hoping to continue with this. So this is something I've learned, that want to hear people say, like when I say how to grow on YouTube, on here they say consistency is key. True, consistency is key to success. It no matter if it is YouTube or whatever it is, consistency is key. But anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment something down below. I want you guys to comment video ideas. I am planning my videos for the time. I've planned for a month, I think, already. So if you have any videos that you'd like to see me do, comment it down below. Don't forget to share this video with your family, friends, whoever. Let me know down below. Each person, I'd like you to comment something that 2020 has taught you. It's important for us to look back, because I know there's at least one thing good that you got out of 2020. So let me know in the comments down below. Share with your friends. Subscribe, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.